Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's Keto Almond Cookies. We've got 2 baking trays here. We've just lined them with some baking paper, preheated our oven to 180 degrees, and we're going to mix our ingredients in a stand mixer. So into the stand mixer goes our room temperature butter, pure vanilla extract, sprinkle of cinnamon, almond meal or almond flour, Natvia, which is your sweetener. We've got gelatine powder and coconut flour. Alright, now we're just going to mix that until it's well combined. Then we're going to add our chopped up almonds, pop them onto our trays, giving plenty of room for them to spread, and bake them until they're nice and crispy. Just on a low speed so it all gets incorporated. Okay, now it's in with our coarsely chopped almonds until they're well mixed. Now that's only taken a minute or 2. Turn it off, lift it up, and there you have it. Get all our lovely mixture off there. And we're just going to use a small cookie scoop, that size. And we're just going to scoop our material out and leave plenty of space in between for them to spread. Okay, so this is gluten-free, grain-free and keto. That's one tray. It's a bit smaller, put a bit more on there, and just press them down a little bit. They will spread in the oven and they are going to be delicious. Now I'm just going to push any little rough edges in so that they don't cook quicker than the rest, and we're just going to cook them for about 15 to 18 minutes until they're nice and golden on the edges. Okay, into the oven we go. Okay, after 15 minutes in the oven, this is what you should have. Just take them out, let them cool completely. They won't stick to that baking paper at all, and they'll be absolutely delicious. They smell amazing and I cannot wait to try them. I hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration of Cheekyricho Cooking's Keto Almond Cookies. If you would like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheekyricho Cooking channel, and don't forget to please subscribe, and do come back, visit us again soon. We're uploading lots of videos, and thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Okay, let's grab one of these, shall we? A little taste. Crunchy. And taste the nuts. Just the right amount of sweetness. And the big chunks of almonds. A little bit of spice in there. It's great. Thanks for watching.